Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone loved that abalone shell so much. I actually got another order for it right away. So as you can see, when you shift it this way, blue, green. Their chatoyance is absolutely stunning. Especially when you get the right polish on it. You can really do some nice stuff with it. So I'm doing something a little bit different with my satin finishes now. Hopefully you guys can tell. Okay, other side. Nice, clean, consistent. Okay. Gotta say, I'm getting pretty good at this one-handed thing. Gets a few people, makes their heart about stop. So this is what's called a double round, what I am calling a double round. Rounded shank, rounded spine. Near mirror on everything. Even inside the interior there. This is going out to Jason. Dead center. Let's check out that bevel. About non-existent.